I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding drinks. First, select your favorite instant pudding mix and gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of pudding mix and 1½ cups of cold milk. Make sure you have a blender ready, along with measuring cups and a glass for serving. This simple process will create a delicious, customizable beverage in minutes. Now let's get blending. Pour 1½ cups of cold milk into your blender, then add 1/2 cup of instant pudding mix. For extra flavor, consider a splash of vanilla extract or a spoonful of cocoa powder. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. Avoid over-blending to maintain a good consistency. Once blended, it's time to customize and serve your drink. If you prefer a thinner consistency, add a little more milk. For a thicker shake, a bit more pudding mix works wonders. Get creative with toppings like a dollop of whipped cream, a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, or a drizzle of caramel. Serve your pudding drink immediately to enjoy its optimal taste and creamy texture. For any leftovers, simply cover and chill your pudding drink in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Don't be afraid to experiment with various pudding flavors, from chocolate to pistachio, and different milk alternatives like oat or soy milk. Each combination offers a unique and delightful experience. Also, for a cleaner home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.